Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this object from my video. First of all, we're going to duplicate this video. You can tap on the video and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option, and after that we're going to overlay it. Click on overlay, then you can make this video align with the first video, and after that we're going to put mask to the second video. We can scroll all the way to the right again and just click on the mask option and choose the type of the mask. I'm gonna go with this rectangle mask, for example. Okay, and we can adjust the size of the mask. You can adjust the size like this, and feel free to rotate it if you need. I'm just going to make it smaller again, and we can take another part of this video to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover it. We can click on this check mark after we're done, and then we can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. And once you're done, you just need to go back, and actually guys, you can still adjust the the brightness or the contrast to make it more natural. You just need to go to the adjust section right here, and you can adjust the brightness. I'm going to reduce the brightness, for example, just reduce it a little bit. Then the contrast as well, I'm going to reduce it. Okay, once you're done, you can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted objects from our video using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.